Going higher. Oh, Tommy! Every time it's the same trouble. What? Huh? What's this?
Hey, we're waiting for you, Dolly.
Oh,
Oh, what's this?
Wow!
A cave full of crystals.
Huh? Hi, Tommy. How's it going? Nice! Looks like they'll never end. Good job, Tommy. Put them to the rest.
Oh, a green one. What the? Come on, stop it. Don't touch the green crystals. Ah, we're cubic.
We're cubic now. What are we gonna do? No panic. I know who can help us. Let's go. Please help us.
Who are you?
I'm Panda. I'm Dolly. I'm Tommy.
What? Eddies.
Ouch.
Oh, it's truly you.
Look, we found it in the cave. And then we became cubic.
Skibbity bobbity boo. Look, you need this blue crystal.
Looks so scary.
Do you want to stay cubic forever?
No.
Come on, jump into the portal.
I see it. A blue crystal. Run! Tommy, catch it! Dolly, catch it!
Oh, why so long?
Watch out! The slugs!
What the? Can't you live a single day without incidents? Hopefully, I know what we should do. The book. You need 5 green crystals to open new portal. Then lure the slug into the portal and voila, problem solved.
Why can't you just open the portal with your staff?
Because we have a giant slug here. It needs a giant portal.
But how can we lure the slug?
Turn on imagination. That's all. Now go away. I can't mess with you all day. Come on, go.
Huh. Well, hopefully we have a single slug. Sure, he's single.
slug to lure him in the portal. Oh, no. Hold still. I'm not really sure if this is a good idea. You look pretty. Take care of the slug and we'll take care of the crystals. Okay. I see mine! Me too! Are you done there? Huh, let's finish this! Yeah, an adventure. Look, no hands. I'm the rocket.
Yeah, we are the Rockets!
Don't ride on your boards here. It's a bike track.
No, it's for skates too!
Yeah, but we came here first.
No, we came here first.
Go find another place.
No, you go find another place.
Fight! Fight!
What if we made a competition?
Huh?
I mean, race around the park. The winner will stay, loser will go.
Okay, if Tommy is not a chicken.
I've never been a chicken. Let's start right now.
Dolly, Tommy, come on, it's time to go home.
Just a minute, Mom.
No more minutes. Come here now.
We'll continue tomorrow.
Sure. Tomorrow, I'll become the winner. I'm gonna eat all the vegetables to be in perfect shape.
Hey!
Mom, can I have more vegetables?
I want them too.
Augusto, hello? Can you hear me? Roger.
Hi, Tommy. I hear you, Roger.
See you in the park in 30 minutes. Roger.
Got it. Roger. What took you so long?
Too much vegetables. Come on, let's go.
Ready? Go!
Right. You need to warm up before the race. Hey, what are they doing here?
Not good enough. Try again.
Warming up.
Tommy, even toy cars go faster.
This might be a very fast toy car.
Yeah, I tweaked the engine a bit.
Tweaked? So, what if we tweak my skate too?
But it's not fair.
Fair? Fair, you said? Is it fair to kick us out of the park? Come on, let's go. Enough of this games.
Tricksters! Okay, we'll tweak something too. Come on, let's go!
Wow, cool stuff!
Don't touch anything. Let's start.
Oh, I know. Let's take a shortcut.
Now, everyone will see.
Oh! Let's build wings and a rocket engine for your bike.
Do you know how to build rocket engines?
No.
Ready?
Ready!
We need to tweak the speed mode a bit.
No time for this. I need to go home and have a good sleep before the race. See you in the park.
Any other ideas? No. Oh, wait! Yes! My parents have a super fast sport bike in the garage. Let's go! Ta-da! Panda, it's a tandem. Guys will say that it's not fair. Fair? That tricksters do not deserve a fair battle.
Hey, it's a tandem. It's not fair.
Fair? Let me check out your skate, maybe.
Huh?
Ready, go!
Tommy, jump off the board!
Tommy, stop! I can't!
Two questions. Are you all right? And are you crazy?
It was just a little competition.
Hey, keep working.
Happy birthday, dear Dragon Kid. Happy birthday to you.
Oops.
Aww.
Oh, that was the last one.
I have an idea. Leave it to magic. Wow, cool.
And what about these scary things? We don't need them.
Oh, I have an idea.
Magic!
Happy birthday.
Tommy, why are you so clumsy? Oh, what's this?
I don't know. An egg, I think.
An egg?
Yeah, some random egg was just lying around here. So let's get back to the game.
Wait.
Attention, out of energy. Have to find Daddy.
Oh, look at him. He is so cute.
And he's lost his daddy.
Oh.
Yeah, such a cute egg. Leave it here and let's get back to the game.
No, we've got to save Mr. Egg.
He told us he is out of energy.
Let's try to feed him.
One drone is missing, boss.
I know. I even know where it is. Come on, let's bring the chicken back to the daddy.
Hey. Hey. Yo. Huh?